to fix YouTube TV playback error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your YouTube TV playback error. So first of all, just simply open your YouTube TV official website, or you can also use your YouTube TV application in your mobile device or in your computer or PC, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And if you're facing your playback error problem for quite a long time in your YouTube TV, all you have to do is just locate the troubleshoot, and after that just check your internet connection speed if it is fine or not. And you can go to the speedtest.com and just check whether your internet speed is up to the mark or not, and if it is not, just simply restart your browser or router and just make sure that your speed is fine. And once you make sure that your speed is fine, and when you start your YouTube TV again, it should fix your problem of playback error. If you can also check if you're logged in into the YouTube TV account from multiple devices, because sometimes what happens is if you are encountering a playback error verifying that you are not logged out or logged in from more than 3 devices, just check if others with shared account access or not currently the streaming section, and just simply log out from YouTube TV from all your devices and just verify that shared account user are not currently streaming in the YouTube TV app, and just recheck if the playback error 16 and YouTube TV persist or not. Hopefully it should not persist anymore and it will fix your problem. And you can also restart your YouTube TV application all over again, and if you're using the YouTube TV in the web browser, just simply cut the tab and restart the YouTube TV again and log into your account after logging in out, and then it should also fix your problem. You can also go ahead and clear your cache regarding the files that has been accumulated over the period of time in your YouTube TV application or in the web browser, and it should fix your problem as well. So yeah, these are the few steps that you can follow in order to fix your YouTube TV playback error. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to fix your YouTube TV playback error. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.